Today we are making a delicious smashed chickpea salad sandwich. We're going to add extra virgin olive oil to a pan. When it gets hot, we're going to add our main ingredient, chickpeas, our superfood, and add the seasonings listed in the description below. If you're someone watching your sodium intake, just use Himalayan sea salt and the recipe will taste just as good. Chickpeas contain an essential nutrient called choline, which helps our brain and nervous system function optimally, regulating our memory, mood, muscle control, and other important functions. Choline helps remove fat from our liver, which ultimately helps us to burn our overall body fat, and resulting in weight loss and better metabolic health. Chickpeas also includes folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamins such as vitamin A, E, and C, and has fiber that's also going to make things easier on our digestive system. Chickpeas also contains in 1 cup about 14.5 grams of protein. So along with getting these important nutrients, you're also getting a healthy amount of protein. So after we fry up our chickpeas, we're adding chopped red peppers, onions, and celery. I'm using some organic tahini, which is a sesame seed organic sauce, some spicy mustard and honey mustard, and some vegan mayo. And you can use your discretion here. I used additional mayo gradually throughout the recipe, so you can use as much or as little as you would like. Once we add all these ingredients together, I'm just stirring it all together so all the flavors can combine, adding a little bit more mayo, vegan mayo. Tahini has become one of my fave condiment sauces to use. The sesame seeds actually contain a lot of antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory properties, and you can use it for dips, you can use it for salad dressings. I create my own salad dressing using this as a foundation, so it's definitely a sauce that you should try if you haven't already. And here's the fun part. We're going to smash up our chickpeas. Chickpeas actually has a consistency. It's just like a bean. And so it has this smooth texture. It has this perfect texture. So if you're someone who hasn't eaten chickpeas before, trust me, you will definitely love it. Chickpeas can be made to your desired texture. In this recipe, I made it boiled, so it's a smooth texture. So I boiled my chickpeas, and then when I got to desired cooked level, that's when I started to use it. Chickpeas can also be baked. Some people love to eat it with their salad, which is also a great option, and also baking it into like a chip type of snack. That's also a great way. I prefer my chickpeas boiled, like in this recipe, and seasoned, and that's just my preference because I just like the smooth texture, and that's why this became one of my favorite recipes. So right now I'm just gradually adding the salad dressing to the chickpea mixture, and we're just going to keep stirring it, adding a little bit more of my vegan mayo until I get to my desired texture here. So I'm just going to keep on stirring so everything can be mixed very well together. So now I'm going to toast my sourdough bread with some extra virgin olive oil and some oregano, some parsley in there, and some garlic. And sourdough bread is going to be a better option than regular white bread because sourdough contains fiber and is just less processed, so it's going to be easier on our digestive system. Look at how beautiful this sourdough bread looks. So good. When I was making this, I was so hungry. You don't even know. I was just like wanting to eat it so bad. I was just craving to eat a healthy sandwich. And I'm so glad that I thought, like, okay, what type of sandwich can I make? And then I was like, yes, I'm going to make a chickpea salad smash sandwich today. Letting my sourdough bread get nice and toasted, so it has like a garlic bread type of taste to it. I'm so extra. I like to do things like that because it's just gonna amplify the taste of the sandwich. You want to have that flavor, that good flavor in your sandwich, nice and toasted. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Okay, assembling our sandwich: lettuce, tomatoes, onion, avocado, and we're ready to enjoy. For more healthy recipes and nutrition information, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.